In this screen-recorded demo, you'll see a live Asyntai AI chat widget in action. We'll type questions directly into the chat about adding an AI chatbot to OpenCart and watch how it uses the website's own content to answer in real time, showing you how easy it is. Improve your OpenCart store by providing visitors with immediate, accurate answers to their questions. We will type real questions into the chat to see how it responds live. This small chat icon represents a powerful AI assistant for your customers. First, let's get a general understanding of compatibility. It's crucial to know your options when integrating new technology into your existing platform. Here's what the AI shared. Asyntai is your AI chatbot solution for OpenCart. It seamlessly integrates with a simple JavaScript snippet. This powerful tool answers customer questions, reduces cart abandonment, and boosts sales around the clock. Now that we know there are options, the practical question arises: what's the actual process for bringing AI into your OpenCart store? Let's see the response it provided. Integrating AI into your OpenCart site is simple and efficient. You can use a quick JavaScript snippet or our dedicated OpenCart plugin. Both methods ensure your AI chatbot is live in minutes, ready to assist customers around the clock. Understanding the chatbot's capabilities is key. Can it truly understand your products and content to offer relevant assistance to your customers? This is the answer it generated. Yes, Asyntai can read your OpenCart content. It automatically crawls your product pages and descriptions. You can also upload PDFs for even deeper knowledge. This empowers the AI to answer questions specific to your store. As we scroll, notice how the chat remains active, ready for further interaction. Focusing on a specific solution, let's investigate its integration capabilities. Does this particular AI platform seamlessly connect with OpenCart? You can read the AI's reply. Asyntai seamlessly integrates with OpenCart. Choose between a simple JavaScript snippet or a dedicated OpenCart plugin. This connection empowers Asyntai to understand your catalog and provide instant, accurate customer support. Setup is straightforward, getting you live in minutes. Time is money, especially in business. So a vital consideration is how quickly you can get this AI chatbot up and running. See the details it returned. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You'll get your unique integration code from your Asyntai dashboard. Then, simply add it to your OpenCart theme or use the dedicated plugin for a quick and easy implementation. Every piece of information you've seen so far originates directly from your website content. Beyond answering questions, a significant benefit of AI chatbots is their ability to help grow your business. Can it actively capture leads for you? The chatbot's answer is displayed. Absolutely. Asyntai seamlessly captures leads directly from your OpenCart store. You can collect visitor emails and phone numbers right through the chat widget. This valuable contact information is then securely stored in your Asyntai dashboard, ready for follow-up. Finally, the practicalities of investment. Understanding the cost is essential for making an informed decision about adding AI to your OpenCart store. Here's what the AI shared. Our pricing is designed to grow with your business. Start with our comprehensive free plan, perfect for getting acquainted. Then scale up to starter, standard, or pro plans, each offering more messages, websites, and advanced features. Choose the perfect fit for your OpenCart store's success. As you've seen, adding an AI chatbot to your OpenCart site is straightforward with Asyntai. You can try it yourself for free today at asyntai.com. No credit card required.